Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, students, as you know, we are learning block number 13, and today we are going to complete our block 13. Yesterday we have done, but this is our discussion. So, without discussion, no complete. So, here I am going to discuss some questions that are important to discuss. Okay, and after that, if you find any difficulties, any type of question you want to discuss, you can send me in comment section and I'll try to solve it immediately. And let me clear one thing: no PDF will be there, no answers will be there in discussion video and PDF section, because ma'am has already told you that we will not going to send answers of worksheet and content book. You have to learn yourself. I'm here always with you. Ask me about the questions, about the queries, I'll solve it. Okay, so let's move picture story, and this is your discussion video. So please keep your all the work, keep it with you, your worksheet, your content book, and whatever work you have done in your extra notebook. So I'll start with my question of the day. What my question of the day? So the first question was from S1. It was, what comes first in a story? What comes first in a story? I have given you three options, four options. Four was none of these. So characters, setting, and events. So some of you has checked have correct the setting and some of characters. So both answer are correct. Both answers are correct. Characters also can come in first, and setting also, but many times, most of the time, setting will come first. That's why your second option, I don't know this option where it was. So this option is correct. Setting, always keep this in your mind. If you have two options, setting and characters, so your setting option is correct. Okay, the next one, who was sitting opposite of the boy in the train? You can see in the picture. If you have a content book there, you can open it. The same picture, you can see the old couple was sitting opposite of the boy. Who was sitting? The old couple was sitting opposite of the boy. And what was the old couple sitting opposite them doing? What are they doing? I explained these questions two or three times. Means, what are they doing? In both picture you can see, in first the old lady was sleeping, and the second one the old man was sleeping. So your answer was sleeping. What? Sleeping. Yes. Who was the most excited person in the train? Yes, of course, the boy. Who was the boy? Yes, I know everyone has picked the correct answer. Write a descriptive paragraph about a weekend using details from the five senses chart and some adjective forms from the table. So this question I have taken from the content. I can tell you the small paragraph, but please, no need to copy, no need to write same paragraph. Okay, the question was given in 6 number. So let me tell you, this weekend was an interesting one. I had planned to meet my friends and speak to some of them over the phone, but I didn't manage to go to do that. Instead, I took one of the red bus to visit some family members who stay half an hour away. On the way, I saw that the roads had colorful lights because the temple nearby was celebrating a holy month. However, I was irritated because the bus took an hour to reach. When I got off the bus at the bus stop, I realized that the street had become more difficult to walk on. Some dogs had strewn garbage all over, and to add to the problem, the water pipe had burst. So there was sewage water flowing on the road. because the clean water got mixed with the water in the drain. Finally, after an hour's wait, I reached my aunt's house. She was waiting for me with hot chai, pakoda, and homemade sweets, and this made me happy. The taste of these things remained in my mouth the whole day. It was really yummy. After I ate, I relaxed on her comfortable sofa for some time. I didn't realize when I went off to sleep on it. When I woke up, I realized that I had slept for 3 hours. So I hope and make sure that you are not going to copy this paragraph in your notebook. Okay. Otherwise, you will see in your notebook last you have given note. We didn't check the notebook that comes with the copied and done by parents on others. Okay. So please, in the next time, keep this in your mind. And then your test schedule is there. Block number 13, assessment in 11 of August. It's 2021. It's a Wednesday. Its timing is 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so be ready for that. Revise everything. And before that, if you find while revising this blog any question, any queries, please ask me in comment section. Okay, and learn well. Then thank you. Have a good day.